a smaller aviary that we have built just behind the big aviary that we have. There are more and more birds are being rescued. And what happened is that these birds need to be quarantined before they are being released into the aviary. In the past, we just quarantined them in the same cage or in the same aviary. But later on, we find that there are some birds that, because they have been neglected or been abused for many years, they cannot socialize and interact with other birds. So we have consulted some vets and also animal lovers, birds lovers, and they have advised us that these birds have to be kept separately. So we calculated the cost of building separate cages in the big aviary. It came out to be almost the same cost. So we decided to build an extension of this aviary, which we call the Recovery Aviary. So here we have 3 sections of Recovery Aviary that can be used to temporarily quarantine birds. Also, for long term, maybe to keep some birds that cannot mix or socialize with other birds. The basic facilities would be food trays. We have fan because the birds, especially outdoor, they need to cool down. Especially in a country like Malaysia, it's very, very warm. So we put in fans so that they don't fall sick from overheating. Also, of course, things like trees. We plant a lot of banana trees and then we bring it in pots so that the birds will have natural shading and also trees, seeds, leaves to play with in their natural environment. So also a lot of branches, hanging toys, etc. for them to play with. We have consulted some birds lover as well as vets. So although they may be just 1 or 2 birds that we quarantine or maybe long-term residents of this recovery aviary, we still need to make sure that they have enough space, they are equipped with all the facilities. This is very much needed because when we bring in any new rescue birds, they may carry disease or mites. So definitely they need to be quarantined 2 weeks up to 1 month before they are being brought in or integrated into the bigger aviary. So this is our latest project, which is the Recovery Aviary for quarantine birds, or maybe for future birds who need special attention or care, or sick birds.